There's Kendall doing tummy time. Kendall, look up. Oh, he's starting to get a little frustrated with us. Kendall, over here. Oh, good boy. Look at your strong head. Oh, he's getting really angry. Oh, I swear he was enjoying this just a minute ago. Hey, what's going on? Good job. Good job. Hi. Wow, you're so strong. Who are you looking at? Good boy.
Wobble head.
He's getting pissed. Oh, I'm sure this is only entertaining to us.
Look at that. It's hard to get the. Oh, bless you. It's hard to pick up those chubby cheeks.
You can do it. Good job.